Thursday, and we're so grateful for all the wonderful blessings that we have, and we're grateful for the opportunity we have to learn and to further our education. And please bless that we'll be able to complete our assignments and enjoy the rest of our evening. When we see these things in the name of Jesus Christ, amen.
Amen.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I was telling Vincent before you got on here, Ashley, I just kind of was looking at what was on the quiz. Like, I've already started it, and I'm almost done, actually. So
Oh, okay.
it's really not that bad at all.
Oh, good.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay.
And I will tell you, you need that Excel spreadsheet that has the hat, like the, what is it called? Categorical data analysis hat. You definitely need that.
Okay.
From the chapter?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Or it's the one we used on Tuesday, or whatever night that was. Monday night, sorry.
The categorical data analysis one?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Alrighty.
Okay, question 3. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
Would it be the last one? The gender and voting preferences are independent, and gender and voting preferences are not independent?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and this one's pretty easy when it comes to the hypothesis. Like, it's either independent or not independent, and you just have to put the heading on it. So.
Right.
All right. Number 4. What is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? And it's the last one.
Okay.
Is it on the textbook?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, because it was the -1 instead of the +1.
Yeah.
Or I guess degrees of freedom is usually always -1, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, that's a good way to look at it.
Do we include the total when we're doing like the rows and columns for the degrees of freedom?
I think so, because
I don't think I remembered seeing anything where it like specified either way.
I think in the video it might have. Or that might have been something else. Hold on, let me look here.
Oh, I think it's without the total.
Yeah, without the total. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5. So the example here is that 6, so it'd be 5 times 1, 2, 3. So it's 10.
So how do you do it? Like row -1 times columns -1?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Like the number of rows though, so it would be 2 rows -1, so it would be 1 times 2. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we just get 2 for the degrees.
Yeah, and you can also put it in that Excel spreadsheet, and it'll tell you that number also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, how did you find out it was 2 for the column? How
For
do you know
the
for the column?
I think it's just however many. You do it without the total.
They have Republican, Democrats, and Independent.
Hmm.
So that's 3.
So 3 minus 1 is 2,
Oh, and female and male.
and
is
then male
2.
and female is 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's 2.
Oh, gotcha.
All right, so
that's
number
2.
5 is 2. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, number 6.
That one we need to put this stuff in, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Rada, what are you doing?
So what if we have 3 options?
What do you mean?
Because like we have like Republican, Democrat, and Independent. How do we put it in?
So are you on that? Oh, go ahead, Ashley. Sorry.
Oh, I was just going to say you'd kind of fill it in the same way that it's put in the table there, because it has like the rows and the columns, so you just fill it in.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys have an answer for number 6?
Would it be the third one? That all expected cell counts are greater than 30?
Actually, it would be they're greater than 5. There's more than 5.
Oh, okay.
In the book it says on the requirement it says under 2.1, it has to be simple random sampling, and each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is 5, and like the one we did on Monday is 10.
Okay. Okay, and then question 7. What is the value of the x squared test statistic for this problem? That's just in the thing.
Mm-hmm.
What would that be?
So I have 16.204.
That's what I have.
Oh, that's what I have too.
Okay.
And then the p-value?
Would we just put 0?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's rounded 3. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Excuse me.
Okay. And then,
I think it would be the first choice on number
yeah,
9.
that's what I was thinking. Yeah. Because we would reject the null hypothesis that they are.
Yeah, and I like how in the book it has like a thing that tells you why you would reject it.
Yeah.
So that kind of helped me because I struggle with these questions.
Yeah.
All right. Yay, chiropractor care. Okay. What number is this?
I think we're on number 10.
Number 10? Yeah. Okay, are the conditions for conducting a chi-square test chi? Is it chi or chi?
I think it's Chi.
Chi-square test for independence are satisfied. Yes.
Are we supposed to copy those data to the Excel sheet?
Think so.
But how do we do it? Because like it's not columns and rows.
I think I'll have to type it in.
There's like a special way to paste things if you copy them from Excel, but I don't know if it'll work if we're copying it from a web page instead of another Excel doc.
Oh, well, the
Oh.
right underneath it has the Excel doc there.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah, there is a way to like special paste it so it'll go the other way.
Transpose. You can
Yeah.
paste special.
Something like that.
But like it won't. Okay, I see. But we need to know.
Oh, hey, it works. That transpose thing works.
But we have to copy like different data. Like
Yeah, so like the 1, 2, 3, 4, the first 5 are all Europe. So you're going to do, those will be the first row.
okay. So just paste special and then transpose.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm taking the Excel class this semester.
Nice. Well, I've done the transpose until tonight, so when you said it, I tried it. Excuse me.
Okay.
We only have a handful of questions left.
I know. Yeah, like I actually think I'm going to do the homework tonight so I don't have to mess with it.
Yeah.
So how come question 10 is true? Can you explain a little bit? Because I'm not quite sure.
Well, because always in this particular type of problems or whatever, it's always the first one is always independent and the second one is always not independent.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I have to look in the book.
Okay. Never mind then.
I mean, basically, the first one is you're either saying it's independent or it's not independent.
Mhm.
So,
So 11 would be 8 then, the degree of freedom.
mhm.
And what do you have for question 14?
I think it might be the second one.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I mean, there's not sufficient evidence, so it's either the second one or the fourth one, but and Ashley, did you get 7.436 for the x
Mhm.
squared test? Okay, and then 0.49?
Yep.
Okay.
So I
I'm
think
Yeah.
question 6 is wrong.
Oh.
Question 6.
I cleaned it last week.
Oh.
Wait, which one did you pick for that one, Vincent?
Question 6, I chose yes, there are 5 observed cats in
Oh. Okay, so I think
Oh, wait.
that says there's at least 5.
Oh, at least 5. So the
Yeah.
first one.
Yeah.
So it should be the fourth one.
No. I choose the fourth one, and it was wrong.
Okay, so it should
Okay.
be the first one.
Oh, did we say the first one? I think yeah. I think I just. Okay.
Okay, I got 100%.
Me too.
Just me. Dang it.
You got it.
Okay.
You almost done, Vincent?
Yep.
Hey, stop that. Okay, get down. Get down.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Awesome. So what else do we need to do for our project?
The next thing is due next week.
Yeah.
Do you guys, so maybe we'll just work and each of us try and get, as much data as we can.
Yeah.
And then maybe next Monday we can go over it and
Okay.
do the next part.
Yeah, so I posted it on my Facebook, and then I posted it on the BYUI student online student one.
Okay.
So that's 100 and something, and then I have like 15 from just people in my office today. Because once I got
Man,
that
that's
email,
awesome.
I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna do this right now. So
Before I
lot
forget.
we only have a lot of people going out of town for vacation next week because it's
Oh,
Thanksgiving.
yeah, that's true.
So I was trying to just catch them. So if you guys want the link for it, I can send it to you, and you guys can post it if you'd like.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
Okay.
Just a second, and I'll get it to you. Okay. I'll just put it in the chat window. So there you go.
Okay.
And it's totally anonymous. It doesn't say who did it. It just, I don't know. I got some comments like best survey ever. So
That's funny.
Nice.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So do we need to do anything to help you with that next part, Ashley, or is that just kind of
I'll look at it.
But,
I
okay.
think it's probably just going, or just like going through and reporting our data and stuff like that. I'll just
Okay.
look real quick.
So if we post stuff like through the weekend, that'll give us a pretty significant amount of data, hopefully,
Yeah, hopefully.
by next time we meet. So
Yeah. Well, even if none of us get any more and all we have is that 115, that's still quite a bit. So.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, so the next one is pretty easy. It just says provide a short summary of what you learned while collecting your data, and then attach the data you collected.
Okay, cool.
We could like let's see.
I learned about I need to be honest.
Okay. To be honest.
Just kidding. Yeah. So we can just go through that Monday then?
Yeah, because I think we only have one assignment next week.
Which is
Oh.
nice for Thanksgiving, so.
I know. I'm super excited. I'm ready for. I don't know. This semester kind of like flew by. It feels like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It flew by, but it's also dragged on.
Yeah, and then I think like, oh dang, you're gonna take 3 classes next semester, or 2 classes. Sorry, just two.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Just see what data we get, and then we'll just do like a little Excel thing and
Okay.
have like the responses for each one.
Okay.
Or like how many we got for each one. So.
Okay. So Monday at, do you guys want to meet early again, or do you want to meet at a regular time?
Probably 6:30 would work best for me for next Monday.
Yeah.
6:30.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay.
All right. Sounds good then.
Awesome.
Okay. See you guys Monday.
All right.
Have a
You
good
too. Have a
night.
good weekend. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.